When dog owners come to me, one question comes up again and again. Doctor, what should I actually feed my dog so they stay healthy without spending a fortune on supplements? And this is where I want you to relax a little, because dog health does not start in a supplement bottle. It starts in your kitchen. Let me explain this properly, one food at a time, so you really understand what you're feeding and why. Food 1. Plain boiled chicken. Let's begin with something simple. Boiled chicken. Chicken is not just food, it's building material for your dog's body. Inside your dog, protein from chicken helps repair muscles, strengthens the immune system, and keeps energy levels stable. If your dog looks weak, tired, or loses muscle easily, protein is usually the missing piece. Now here's how you actually feed it. If you have a small dog, you don't need a bowl full of chicken. You shred a small amount and mix 2 to 3 tablespoons into their regular food. That's enough to support their muscles without stressing digestion. For a medium-sized dog, like a beagle or border collie, you can safely add half a cup of boiled chicken per day. For a large dog, such as a Labrador or German Shepherd, 1 full cup daily works very well, especially if they're active. Now let's talk about money. Honestly, in the US, this will cost you roughly $1 per day. Compare that to protein supplements that cost $60 to $90 per month, and most of them are synthetic. With chicken, you're feeding real protein, not powder. Food 2. Cooked white rice. A lot of people underestimate rice, but rice is actually gut medicine. When rice enters your dog's stomach, it absorbs excess acid and slows down the intestines. That's why vets recommend rice during diarrhea, vomiting, or stomach sensitivity. For a small dog, you mix 2 tablespoons of cooked rice into their meal. For a medium dog, half a cup is enough to calm the gut. For a large dog, 1 cup works very well, especially after stomach upset. Cost-wise, this is one of the cheapest foods you can use, about 25 cents per serving. Digestive supplements? They easily cost $40 to $70, and they don't even work faster than rice. Carrots. Now let's talk about carrots. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your dog's body converts into vitamin A. This supports vision, immune strength, skin health, and even dental cleaning when chewed. For a small dog, slice 2 or 3 thin pieces. For a medium dog, chop a quarter of a carrot. For a large dog, half a carrot is more than enough. This can be given daily or every other day. And the cost? Around 10 to 20 cents per day. Vitamin A supplements often cost $35 to $60 and still not as complete as a carrot. Boiled eggs. Eggs are one of nature's most complete foods. They support brain function, coat shine, muscle repair, and immune strength. If your dog sheds excessively or seems weak, eggs help tremendously. For a small dog, half a boiled egg 2 to 3 times a week. For a medium dog, 1 full egg 3 times a week. For a large dog, 1 to 2 eggs depending on activity level. Each egg costs around 30 to 40 cents. Multivitamin supplements? Often $50 or more per month, and still not as complete as an egg. Salmon or sardines cooked. If your dog has joint pain, itchy skin, or a dull coat, this food is gold. Fish contains natural omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation inside the body. This means better joints, better heart health, and calmer skin. For a small dog, mix 1 tablespoon into food. For a medium dog, a quarter cup. For a large dog, half a cup 2 times per week. This costs roughly $1 to $2 per serving. Omega-3 supplements? Anywhere between $60 to $100. Plain pumpkin. Pumpkin is one of the safest digestive foods you can give. It balances the gut, meaning it helps both constipation and diarrhea. It also supports healthy gut bacteria. For a small dog, add 1 tablespoon. For a medium dog, 2 tablespoons. For a large dog, a quarter cup. Cost about 30 cents per serving. Fiber supplements usually cost $30 to $50. Plain Greek yogurt. This is your natural probiotic. Yogurt introduces good bacteria into the gut, improving digestion, immunity, and stool quality. For a small dog, 1 tablespoon. For a medium dog, 2 tablespoons. For a large dog, a quarter cup. 3 to 4 times a week is enough. Cost per serving is around 30 cents. Probiotic powders, $45 to $80 easily. Bone broth with no salt. Bone broth nourishes joints, gut lining, and immunity. It's especially powerful for senior dogs. For a small dog, 2 tablespoons. For a medium dog, half a cup. For a large dog, 1 cup a few times per week. Homemade bone broth costs about 50 cents per serving. Joint supplements, often $70 to $120. If you notice, none of these foods are exotic, none are expensive, but when used correctly, they work better than most supplements. Most dog owners spend $150 to $200 a month on pills and powders. With smart natural feeding, you can spend $40 to $60 and get better results. This is not alternative medicine. This is common sense nutrition. If you want, next I can create a 7-day meal plan, do a puppy version, or a senior dog diet. And for honest, doctor-led dog health guidance, subscribe to Dr. Oo's Health Talk.